Algorand value equivalent to $0.1931 a coin. The present exchanged cost range. $0.1915, $0.2007. The earlier day close. $0.1980. The change was 0.0049, 2.47%. Reverse rate. United States dollars to Algo. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at $0.13. Excessive cost 0.27, while low cost 0.13. The normal for the month 20 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 25 cents, change for December 92.3%. Algorand figure for January 2024. Initially cost at $0.25. Excessive cost 0.31, while low cost 0.23. The normal for the month 27 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 29 cents, change for January 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at $0.29. Excessive cost 0.36, while low cost 0.29. The normal for the month 32 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 34 cents, change for February 17.2%. Algorand gauge for WAC 2024. To start with cost at $0.34. Exorbitant cost 0.39, while low cost 0.33. The normal for the month 36 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 36 cents, change for spring 5.9%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.36. Exorbitant cost 0.43, while low cost 0.36. The normal for the month 39 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 40 cents, change for April 11.1%. Algorand conjecture for May 2024. In the first place cost at $0.40. Exorbitant cost 0.45, while low cost 0.39. The normal for the month 42 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 42 cents, change for May 5.0%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at $0.42. Exorbitant cost 0.46, while low cost 0.40. The normal for the month 43 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 43 cents, change for Algorand gauge for July 2024. In the first place cost at $0.43. Exorbitant cost 0.48, while low cost 0.42. The normal for the month 45 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 45 cents, change for July 4.7%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.45. Exorbitant cost 0.50, while low cost 0.44. The normal for the month 47 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 47 cents, change for August 4.4%. Algorand figure for September 2024. Before all else cost at $0.47. Excessive cost 0.52, while low cost 0.46. The normal for the month 49 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 49 cents, change for September 4.3%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place cost at $0.49. Exorbitant cost 0.54, while low cost 0.47. The normal for the month 50 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 50 cents, change for October 2.0%. Algorand estimate for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.50. Exorbitant cost 0.55, while low cost 0.47. The normal for the month 51 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 51 cents, change for November 2.0%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2024. To start with cost at $0.51. Exorbitant cost 0.63, while low cost 0.51. The normal for the month 56 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 59 cents, change for December 15.7%. Algorand conjecture for January 2025. At the outset cost at $0.59. Excessive cost 0.65, while low cost 0.57. The normal for the month 61 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 61 cents, change for January 3.4%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2025. Before all else cost at $0.61. Excessive cost 0.67, while low cost 0.59. The normal for the month 63 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 63 cents, change for February 3.3%. Algorand gauge for walk 2025. In the first place cost at $0.63. Exorbitant cost 0.68, while low cost 0.60. The normal for the month 64 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 64 cents, change for spring 1.6%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2025. Initially cost at $0.64. Exorbitant cost 0.79, while low cost 0.64. The normal for the month 70 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 74 cents, change for April 15.6%. Algorand conjecture for May 2025. At the outset cost at $0.74. Excessive cost 0.74, while low cost 0.59. The normal for the month 68 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 63 cents, change for May 14.9%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2025. Initially cost at $0.63. Excessive cost 0.72, while low cost 0.62. The normal for the month 66 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 67 cents, change for June 6.3%. Algorand conjecture for July 2025. Before all else cost at $0.67. Excessive cost 0.67, while low cost 0.52. The normal for the month 61 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 56 cents, change for July 16.4%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at $0.56. Exorbitant cost 0.56, while low cost 0.44. The normal for the month 51 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 47 cents, change for August 16.1%. Algorand estimate for September 2025. To start with cost at $0.47. Exorbitant cost 0.47, while low cost 0.36. The normal for the month 42 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 39 cents, change for September 17.0%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2025. At the outset cost at $0.39. Excessive cost 0.44, while low cost 0.38. The normal for the month 41 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 41 cents, change for October 5.1%. Algorand figure